And I am Brenda Castillo, and I'm currently preparing for my board exam this year, and I basically like a lot of regarding K-drama and K-music, especially uh, a cooking show, a cooking variety show, and also I love to listen a lot of K-pop music. Currently, I'm in love to A-Hop. Currently, they debuted this year, and but I really stand the second and third generation K-pop, especially the Dongbang Shinki and EXO, B2B, and also my hobby is currently I love doing a lot of fun things with the people I love, especially my family, my friends, my colleagues, or basically everyone. I can literally understand, read, and write some Korean language, the Hangul, the basic, typical, but I pick up some on the variety show. I heard so much, and the Aegyo especially, but the expression is the one I love the most, and basically I want to learn and experience talking to someone with experience with the Korean language. I love the food, I love the culture, the traditional, the traditions and everything regarding Korean, especially the history, a lot of Wangja, and I want to experience the Korean life that I really dream about since the beginning. I learned about the Korean culture and everything, and I also like to edit some in social media, edit some video in social media and posting some pictures, memories. Especially, I'm introvert actually, and I want to experience a lot with people. So I hope